Okay. So students, we have discussed yesterday also this type of portion. If you can see here, I have told you that outer portion is the boundary of your home. Okay. And inside, this is your living part, जहां पर आप रहते हो. ठीक है. Your parents have left out this portion for making garden or having some space all around your living portion. Okay. So I told you that I want the area of left out portion which is not constructed. Okay, like this one, the shaded area. So for this, I told you yesterday only what we used to do it. We have the simple trick. Take out the area of outer portion, which is the bigger rectangle. Then take out the area of inner portion, that is the smaller rectangle, and then subtract each other. Or you can simply call it that you can find out the difference. Now, let us have the first area. Now, you can see this is 50, which is length, 40, which is breadth. So, area will be 50 into 40, which will give us 2000 square meter. This is the area of outer portion. Okay. Now, I told you that now you will take out the area of inner portion. For finding out inner portion, you want length and breadth of the inside the portion one. Okay. So for what you will do? This is 50. 4 from this side, 4 from this side. So you will subtract 8 from 50. So what you will have it now? 50 minus 8, which will give you 42 in meter. So आपके पास हो गया first dimension 42. ठीक है. Now move on to the second dimension. Second dimension is 40. 4 from here, 4 from here means 40 minus 8 this side. So what you will get it this time? 32. So 42 multiplied by 32, which will give you the area of inside portion, which is made for living area. Okay. What you are getting in multiplication when you are doing 32 with 42? Tell me faster. When you are multiplying 32 with 42, what you are getting? 1344. Okay, 1344 you are getting. Correct. So when you are having 1344, this is not the actual thing what I was asking for, beta. Okay? Because many of you have given me this answer, 1344. My question was to find out the area of left out portion. So left out portion कैसे निकालते हैं? You will be subtracting 1344 from 2000. So your area of left out portion will be 2000 minus 1344. Now subtract 2000 and 1344. Tell me what you are getting. 656. Yes. So this is your main answer. That is 656 square meter. But many of you were right also. Okay. Remember 656 square meter will be the answer. Do not only speak 656. And do not only speak 656 meter or centimeter. It should be always in square because we are talking about area. I hope it is clear because yesterday many of you were not there. So that is why I revised it once again today. Okay. So students, now we are discussing about crossroad. Crossroad are named as Chauraha. Okay. In our locality, there are many places where we face Chaurahas. Okay. Now, what is specialty of Chauraha? That every road is moving towards one common place. अगर आप गौर से देखोगे, तो this road number 1 is coming to this place. Road number 2 is also coming to this place. Road number 3 is also coming to this place only. And road number 4 is also coming to this place only. Okay? It means what is the common area? If I give this name as 5, may I know from you all what is the common area in this? What is common in all? Please reply in the chat box. Okay, yes, Utkarsh, very right. Very correct, Kashish, Lisa, Pragyan, Nupur, Soumya, absolutely right. The common place is the place number 5. Okay, the place number 5 is common in all. Okay, now let's discuss how to find out the area of this type of crossroads. Okay, I'm going to tell you a trick. How can you do it? like in the before question, which how we were doing it, the same we will be doing it in this. So all of you make a rectangular place, take your scale, let's have a rectangular place. I am going to tell you with the help of this example. Okay? Now this is a rectangular place. Okay? And inside this, rectangle, we have crossroads. So one is this, another is this. Okay, and we have to find out the area of crossroad. The full road we have to take out. Okay, this we have a question like this. So what we will usually do, beta, remember, we will first give the name A, B, C, D. Choose anyone as, like, give the name first, A, B, C, D to the first rectangular road. You can find this shape is rectangle here. This shape is rectangle here. So first give the name to the first rectangular road as A, B, C, D. Now you have another road as well. So आप उसको भी कोई नाम दे दो. You can have P, Q, R, S. Now you have taken another road as this one. Your first work should be there to give the names to all. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D. This is first road. Second road is P, Q, R, S. This is the second name which we gave. And third one, which is the common part, जो ये सबसे छोटा वाला inside वाला portion है, उसको भी आप कुछ नाम दे दीजिए. You can simply give the name as L, M, N, O. So these are the three names which we gave today. Can you see this? A, B, C, D, first name, P, Q, R, S, second name, L, M, N, O, third name. So three names I gave in total. Now we will find out one by one the area of all these three portions which we have marked right now. Okay, how to find out area, which you very well know. Okay, let's continue how to find out area of these roads. So remember beta, whenever you will do this type of question, हमेशा आपको पूरे measurement नहीं दिए रहेंगे. आपको अपना दिमाग लगाना है and you have to find out the measurement as well. How will you do? Remember, suppose आपको ये दिया हुआ है 50 meter. Now please be alert on your chat box, all of you. This is 30 meter and this width is given as 2 meter. Now I am asking from you all, in rectangle ABCD, all of you stay focused to the diagram now. In rectangle ABCD, which I have drawn right now here, what is the measurement of length? Tell me faster in the chat box. What is the measurement of length? In rectangle ABCD, I'm talking about ABCD. Tell me faster. What is Nupur? Yes, absolutely right. Amit, how 60 came, beta? It's 30. It's 30. Absolutely right. It's 30. How it's 30 now? Tell me. Look at here. This is there. ये वाला पोर्शन है और ये वाला पोर्शन देखो सामने पूरा 30 है. आपको खुद से दिमाग लगाना है that this line measurement is not given, but this line is equal to this line. ठीक है? So ये वाली line 30 हुई. So this line is also now 30. Now what is the width of this? For rectangle ABCD, what is the width? Tell me faster. You have told me length. Now what is the breadth? 2 meter. Wonderful. So area of ABCD will be 30 multiplied by 2, which will give you 60 square meter. Chalo, एक portion का आ गया. We have done it for ABCD. Now tell me for PQRS. Let us find out for PQRS. Tell me what is the length for PQRS. जल्दी से बताइए. Use your mind like ABCD. Tell me. Very good, very nice. It's 50 again. You can call it length या breadth, आप जिस dimension में लोगे, यहाँ पर अगर आप लेते हो तो you can call it 50 this side. What is the breadth in this? Yeah, you can call it, what is the smaller part of it? What is this PS? 2. What is this SR? 50. So the measurement, when you will take it, it will be now 50 into 2, which will give us 100 square meter. Now this also you have done it. Now let's find out the area of third portion, which we have done it. That is area of LMNO. What is that? What is the dimension of this one? Tell me, what are the dimension of this figure? The inside portion. Tell me faster in the chat box. Yes, absolutely right, Natik, Amit. This side also 2 and this side also 2, because width is given 2 only. So this is 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here. So it is a square which will give us 2 into 2, means 4 square meter. Now see the question. We have found out every area covered by this portion. Okay? Now what we'll do, I am asking to you all that what is the total area of crossroad? Will we add all or will we do something different? Tell me faster. This is the last question. Will we add all? Okay. Amit is saying yes, ma'am, we'll add all. Okay. Nupur is also saying we will add all. Natik is saying no, ma'am, we will not add all. Okay. Kashish is saying, ma'am, yes, we will add all. बेटा अगर आप गौर से देखो, so the portion which is written LMNO is common part, common in both. आपने जो बड़ा वाला रेक्टेंगल लिया था ABCD, उसमें भी वो छोटा वाला पोर्शन है. जब आप PQRS लेते हो तब भी उसमें छोटा वाला पोर्शन है. मतलब जब आप ऐड करोगे तो जो बीच वाला पोर्शन है वो डबल टाइम ऐड हो जाएगा. गौर से देखिए, if you will take this portion and you will add this portion as well, this portion will be added twice. ठीक है? So for that what we will do, we will add this to 60 and 100. We will add, what will come? 160, and then subtract the smaller portion, 160 minus 4. ओके, रिमेंबर हमेशा ये दोनों पोर्शन को ऐड करिए और ऐड करने के बाद छोटे वाले को माइनस कर दीजिए. दैट विल बी योर आंसर एज 156 स्क्वायर मीटर. वेरी सिंपल, नॉट अ टफ प्रोसेस. रिमेंबर, आपको पहले तीनों पार्ट को नाम देना है, तीनों का अलग अलग एरिया निकालना है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ऐड द बिगर पोर्शन एरिया, and one time you will subtract the area of middle portion. Once again telling you, सबसे पहले तीनों पोर्शन को आप नाम दोगे. ABCD दिया हमने, एक को नाम दिया PQRS, और जो सबसे अंदर बीच में मिडिल में है, that is the common part, you have given the name LMNO. Okay, then start taking out area one by one of all the portion जिसको आपने नाम दिया है. So first I have taken the name ABCD, पहले मैंने उसका एरिया निकाला. सेकंड आई हैव टेकन द नेम PQRS, मैंने उसका एरिया निकाला. तीसरा पोर्शन क्या था? LMNO, जो कि कॉमन था, हमने उसका एरिया भी निकाला. एंड एट द लास्ट व्हाट वी डिड, वी हैव एडेड ABCD एंड PQRS टुगेदर, एंड उसके बाद वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द कॉमन पोर्शन एरिया. व्हाई वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द कॉमन पोर्शन एरिया बेटा? बिकॉज जब आप ऐड करते हो दोनों को, तो जो मिडिल वाला पोर्शन है वो 2 बार कॉमन आता है, क्योंकि यही पार्ट है जो कॉमन है. तो जब आप ऐड करोगे ना तो 2 बार वो रिपीट करेगा. आई एम शोइंग यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल एंड यू कैन लीव नाउ. ओके, देन सी, लुक एट हियर दिस फिगर. आपने सबसे पहले ये वाला रेक्टेंगल लिया, ठीक है, ये पोर्शन था. इसके बाद आपने इसको ये वाला पोर्शन भी ले लिया, ये देखो. सो बेटा ये वाला तो कॉमन आ गया ना, ये वाला तो दो बार ऐड हो गया. Which portion I am shading, it is adding 2 times and we want only 1 time, so that is why we are subtracting it once. So this is the main concept, how to find out the area of crossroads. That's all for today. You can leave now.